Hello, and welcome back to the English Master Channel. I'm Asadullah.
And I'm Sarah. We're so glad you're here with us today.
You know, Sarah, one question I get all the time from our listeners is, how can I speak English confidently, even when I'm nervous?
Oh, that's such a common feeling. I remember when I first started speaking English in public, my heart would race and my mind would go blank.
Exactly. But here's the good news. Confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you build, step by step, day by day.
And today, we're going to share 3 simple but powerful strategies to help you speak with more confidence.
But before we dive in, if you find this episode helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us keep creating content for you.
Yes, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments. What situation makes you feel most nervous when speaking English?
So, the first strategy is about mindset. Many learners focus too much on being perfect. They want to say everything correctly with no mistakes.
But that pressure actually makes you more nervous, right?
Exactly. So instead, tell yourself, I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be understood.
That's a powerful shift. Let's practice that together. Listeners, repeat after me. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be understood.
Great. Now here's a longer one. Every conversation is a chance to grow.
I love that. When you repeat these sentences out loud, you're actually training your brain to believe them.
And that's what we call a positive affirmation. A short, powerful sentence that builds your confidence from the inside out. Now, the second strategy is preparation, but not memorizing long speeches, just preparing your mind with simple structures.
Yes. For example, if you're going to introduce yourself, you can use a simple pattern. Hello, my name is blank. I'm from blank. I work as a blank. In my free time, I enjoy blank.
That's so simple, but it gives you a mental map. Let's try it with different jobs.
Let's say you're a teacher.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from Cairo. I work as a teacher. In my free time, I enjoy reading.
Perfect. Now a chef.
Hello, my name is Ahmed. I'm from Istanbul. I work as a chef. In my free time, I enjoy cooking for my family.
See how that works? You don't have to invent everything on the spot.
And the more you practice this structure with different jobs and hobbies, the more natural it becomes.
So here's your mini challenge. In the comments, write your own introduction using this pattern. The third strategy is about consistency. You don't need hours of practice. Even 5 minutes a day can create massive change.
I love this because it's so realistic. We all have 5 minutes while waiting for coffee, walking, or before sleep.
Exactly. So let's do a short practice together. Listen and repeat after us. I use small moments to improve. I speak English every day, even for a minute. I'm getting better little by little.
Now, let's connect this to your future. I will stay consistent. I will trust the process. I will speak with confidence.
Beautiful. You just practiced speaking, built your confidence, and created a positive mindset, all in a few minutes.
Now, let's quickly review 3 key expressions we used today. These are powerful tools for your English toolbox.
Number 1, mindset. That's the way you think about something. Example, a positive mindset helps you stay motivated.
Number 2, step by step. It means gradually, one stage at a time. Example, I'm improving step by step.
Number 3, trust the process. This means to believe that if you keep working, results will come. Example, even when it's hard, trust the process.
So, to wrap up, shift your mindset. Don't aim for perfection, aim for connection. Use simple structures to prepare your mind. Practice in small moments consistently.
And remember, confidence is built, not born. Every time you speak, you're getting stronger.
We'd love to know, what's one small step you'll take today to improve your English confidence? Write it in the comments.
And if this episode helped you, share it with a friend who's also learning English.
Thank you for spending your time with us. Keep practicing, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.